Hello, my name is Ken James. I am a diplomat Jungian analyst. I'd like to begin by putting these cards up on our screen. The images in the PowerPoint are taken from the Rider-Waite-Smith tarot deck, which is a tarot deck that I recommend people use if they're beginning their exploration of the tarot or if they want to deepen their connection to the tarot. By no means is it the only deck available, and other people may find other decks to be more harmonious with their soul and their way of understanding the tarot. But it is a standard deck, and I would recommend that you work with it deeply so that you come to understand the images in all their fullness. So let's begin. Here's an image of the card Death. And if we just look at the card, allow your eye to move around the card, we see a lot of components to this image that may trouble us or may puzzle us. So we see, first of all, the image of the rider on the white horse. And the rider is wearing armor, but it's pretty clear both from the rider's hands and the rider's face that this is a skeleton representing death. And they're holding a staff on which is a flag that is a fully ripened rose. It's a rose that has revealed its inner nature, and that inner nature is full of seeds. But as we know, when we get to this phase of the blooming of a rose, the rose itself is ready to fall from the bush. Before we begin talking about the image of the card of the devil, there's a few things I want to say. First of all, the devil in the tarot does not refer to what in some traditions is called Satan or Lucifer. The devil here is more of a demon, and I liken the image of the devil to the difference between what James Hillman, a Jungian, very, very famous Jungian analyst, calls the daemon, which is that energizing life force that emerges within us that allows us to move into life with energy and vitality. That's the daemon. But when the daemon turns and we become addicted to what the daemon is allowing us to do, it becomes a demon or a devil, and it holds us in its grasp. So the devil generally is considered to be a card that indicates bondage to illusion, bondage to the illusion that anything is permanent, bondage to the illusion that anything can be maintained beyond its natural lifespan.